Hi, hello, good morning, everybody. This is Bhaskar. So, in this video, we are going to discuss about a Queen-McCluskey tabular method. So, in the previous videos, we are going to discuss about K-map method. So, when come to K-map implementation and representation and implementation process, we have some of the problems. Nothing but see what are the demerits we have of K-map method. So generally, effectively, it is possible maximum of 5 to 6 input variable. If you go for more than a 6 variable or more than a 5 variable, then K-map method, it is very difficult to simplify the Boolean expressions. Okay, in order to avoid this one, so looking for the next method, that is a tabular method. So whatever the method, if you take a K-map method or a tabular method or a MVV method, the Boolean expression or simplified expression what we are getting, it is same thing only. Okay, let's move on that. So here I'm going to take an example of for my MVV method. Before that, so tabular method, it is a compute all prime implicants. It consists of an all prime implicants we are going to calculate it and find a minimum expression for a Boolean function. Yes, and no visualization of prime implicants. Next, can be programmed and implemented in the computers. We can program this one also, but this process we are not going to done here. Let's move on to with an example. I am going to take on one example. It is f is equal to a comma b comma c comma d. This is a 4 variable I am going to take on, and they are given a summation of 0 comma 5 8 9 10 11 14 15 is nothing but here we can see that summation is nothing but it's a mean terms I'm going to use. Okay, first we need to represent, we need to represent the values in terms of binary. So these are the decimal values what we are going to take on. The first we need to represent it in binary. Okay, you can see that 0 how to represent it has 0 0 0 0, 5 is nothing but 0 1 0 1, 8 is nothing but 1 followed by zeros, 9 it is 1 0 0 1, 10 is nothing but 1 0 1 0, 11 1 0 1 1, 14 1 1 0, 15 1 1 1 1. First, we need to represent a binary value with respect to your decimal numbers. Okay, once you represent, next looking for different step process and it is calculated using the tabular. How to write the tabular? You can see that step one, first we are going to take on the first, it is a group. The group name, it is changes from step one to step two different ways. Next, I'm going to represent taken as a mean terms and next taken as a variable. So why you take mean term here? So because we're looking for SOP form, sum of product terms we are going to take on here. Okay, now, so how to group one? So how to group? See, first I'm going to take on a group name. I'll given it is in a 0 and 0, 5, 8, 9, 10, 12. These are different. These are the mean terms. So you can see the 0. First I'm looking for this 0 of mean term. So it consists of 4 zeros. Anywhere if you have a 4 zeros, first always you check for the 4 zeros is there. No, never it will get. So directly I'm going to write group 0 is nothing but mean term, it is 0. Then variable it is taken as a 0 0 0 0, nothing but A B C D. Let's check it out how we are going to take on the group. It is 0, mean term it is 0, and A B C D are my variables. So the variable value taken as a 0 0 0 0. Okay, next I'm looking for the group 1. In the group 1 it consists of only 1. You can see where it is only 1 is there in a binary value. So here it is double ones is there and here it is 1 is there, right? Yes, I can take this one and anywhere it is there. Yes, okay, we can see that now where it is the only 1 is there, only I'm going to take an 8. Let's check it out how we are going to take on the group number. It is, you can give 1 and mean term you have only 8, it consists of only 1, remaining all it is 0 0 0. Okay, next step, the next group I'm looking for the two ones. You can see that 5 also having two ones. Okay, 9 also having two ones and 10 also having two ones. Okay, so remaining all not having, so then I can take an as a value the group name I'm going to take an as a 2. You can see group name I'm going to take an as a 2, and 5 9 10, 5 is nothing consists of 2 ones and 9 also consists of 2 ones, 10 also it consists of 2 ones. We are going to make separate. So here it is There is no ones, and here it is only ones, here it is two ones. Next, what is the step? So next, it is nothing but group number 3. It consists of 3 ones. Let's check it out. So when looking for 11 and 13, it consists of 3 ones, 1011 and 1110. So it consists of 11 and 40 of mean terms, consists of 3 ones. Just group the group number, it is 3. Next, looking for the 4 ones. So maximum it is 4 ones only, right? Because it's a 4 variable. So then I'll get the maximum, it is 4. Let's move on to the group 4. The group 4 is nothing but 15. The value it is 1111. So it consists of 4 ones. So this is a first step. What we are going to do, we need to separate based on the number of ones. Here in the first group, there is no ones, like only one. Like here 2 ones is there, and here it is 3 ones is there. Next it is 4 ones is there. This is the first step. Okay. Next, looking for the step 2. In the step 2, I'm going to choose this one. So here it is, if looking for only one term, remaining 3 variables are same, only one variable it is varies, then we are going to group. So how we are going to group? Let's check it out. I'm going to take, and here it is group 2 ABCD. Let's see here. I'm going to take an of mean terms of 0. Okay, here also we need to start separately from 0. Okay, we can see that in the group 0, I'm going to take this value 0, 0, 0. First, you need to compare with the group 1 element. Okay, I'm going to compare here. You can see these two are same, these two are same, this is same, 0, 0, 0 only. Only this A variable it is varying, right? So then the variable, what is the variable it is changing, that variable going to represent it by dash, remaining we are going to take as a same common thing BCD, right? And what is the matched pair? Here it is 0 and 8, it is matched if only this bit it is varies, right? That's why I taken a dash of 0, 0, 0. We are going to take as a matched pair, it is 0, 8. Okay, next 0 you need to compare with anything it is there. No, it is not possible. So because here it is only one, only possible with the 8 only. Next it is looking for the next group. Okay, in the next group you can see that. So next, here it is first, this is not possible, means go to the next group, group 1 element, it is 8. 8 is nothing but 100. Here it is 100 is there. Next, you just check it out. Here it is, if I'm check with the 5, so this it is varies and 2 bits are varying, so I can't consider this. Next it is 8 with the 9. You can see that 1 1 it is common, 0 0 it is common, 0 0 it is common, and 0 1 it is changes. Only one bit is changing, right? So directly I can take it as 8 and 9. So directly I can take it as a 8 and 9. The bits changing are 1 0 0, and this bit is changing, that's why we are going to represent it as dash. Okay, next it is, so next I'm going to take in here it is 8 and 10. So just looking for 8 and 10, 1 1 are same, 0 0 are same, and 0, this bit it is changing, right? 0 to 1, and this it is same. So I'm going to take an as, so 1 0 dash 0. So this bit is changing, that's why I taken as a dash. Hope you understand. Next it is 1 with respect to remaining, it is possible? No, never it is possible. Okay, next looking for the second group of step 1, that is 5. 5 with respect to, I'm going to check it with the 11, so 14 and 15, just check it out. So what are the changes you'll get? So here it is 5 with respect to anything, it is not possible. You can check it with the here, okay, 1 0 1 1, 2 bits it will be changed, and for this one also 2 bits will change, and here also 2 bits it will change. 5 it is not possible, and take care about that one. If it is not matching, you need to keep as it is, and if it is matched pair, then we are making as a tick. Be careful, we need to tick every time. Okay, this is not matching, I'm going to keep this one as it is. Next it is, so here 9, I'm looking for 9 with respect to 11. Yes, 1 it is same, and 0 to 0 it is same, 0 to 1, yes it is varying, and 1 to 1, only one bit is changing, right? And directly I can take, so 9 comma 11, what is the bit is changing? 1 0 dash 1, because this bit it is changing, right? 1 0, this bit is changing, that's why I'm going to take as a dash of 1. Okay, next it is 10 comma 9 with respect to anything, it is possible? No, it is not possible. Then I'll go for a 10. 10 it is 1 0 1 0. In the 1 0 1 0, With respect to 11, you just check it out. 1 and 1 same, 0 0 same, 1 and 1 same, last bit is changing. That's why taken 101 dash 101 dash we are going to take. Next it is a 10 with respect to 14. So here also 1 1 same, this bit is changing. Next 10 and 10 I'm going to take in here. That directly I can take 10 comma 14, 1 hyphen of 1 0. This is a group 2 you can take. Next, this elements 10 elements, it is also over. Next I'm looking for 3 with respect to 4. Then you need to see always here 4 groups is there, then it will come to reduces the group number, also it will be reduces. 4 become, now it is final group, it is 3. Let's check it out. Here it is possible only 11 and 15. 11 comma 15 is nothing but 1, same thing it is there. This bit is changing, and 1 1 and 1 1. So if I'm going to take an, I'll get it 1 dash of 1 1. Next it is 1 1 means 14 comma 15. You'll get only last bit is changing. I can take 1 1 1 dash. Let's check it out. So I'm going to take it as a 14 comma 15. It is 1 1 1 dash. So hope you understand this one, right? So whatever the groups you matched, you need to make it as a tick. So here I'm going to take a tick and tick 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 only. Only in this case 5 it is not matched with any pair. Okay, then these are the matched pairs what we are going to getting in the step 2. Next, I'm looking for the step 3. In the step 3, how we are going to take on? Let's check it out. Okay, so I'm going to looking for same again, repeat the process. First looking for the this dash wherever it is there, we need to matched pairs we are going to write on that. Let's check it out in the step 3. So I'm going to look for these cases. Here it is 0 comma 8. The group 0 I'm going to compare with the group 1 first. So here dash is there, just compare with anywhere it is there. No, it is not matching. Then directly I can take it as a group 0. The value it is not matching. Then this one keep as it is, don't take. And next looking for here 8 9, you just check it out. In the 8 9, so at the end you have a dash. This dash you just compare with the last bit any other group, second group. Yeah, here it's dash is there. So dash dash is this common thing. Next it is 1 1, it is same thing. 0 0, it is same thing. Only this bit it is varying, right? So this bit varying means I directly I can take again matched pair are 8 comma 9 and 10 comma 11. 8 comma 9 and 10 comma 11. What is the changes? Which bit is changing? Third bit is changing. That's why 1 0 dash dash. Okay, next I'm looking for 8 and 10. 8 and 10, what happened? It is third bit is dash. Looking for third bit dash. You're looking for 9 and 11. So 1 0 is there, and looking for this bit is changes. Directly I can take 8 10 9 10 11. 8 10 9 11. Directly take 1 0, and it is dash dash. Because of this bit it is changing, I'm going to take an as a dash. Okay, so first group with respect to second group it is over. Anything it is there? No, already involved. Then I'll go for the next case. Second group with respect to third. This group I'm going to take as a 1. So here it is. Now 9 with 9 comma 11, it is possible. No, here also we need to make a tick. So because we already involving the 8 and 9, 8 and 10 also will involving 9 and 11 also make it as a tick. We need to make tick. Okay. Next it is 10 and 11. I'm looking for 10 and 11. So 9 and 11 with respect to anything it is possible. No, remaining thing it is not possible because this tick it is not there. Next option it is 10 comma 11. 10 comma 11 you have a hyphen here. Just check it out, this dash with respect to final. It is possible, yes, it is, these two are possible. But see here it is 1 and 1. Third bit and first bits are same. Then second bit only I'm going to take changing. That's why I'm going to take it as a 1 dash 1 dash. I can take for 10 11 14 comma 15. Okay, similarly looking for 10 14, 1 dash 1 0. Next is 1 dash of 1. Last bit is changing, directly taken 1 dash of 1 dash. So similarly, see, you can 3 become here it is 0 1. Now here after that, what I'm going to do here it is, this is very very important. See, the 8 and 9, these are all involving. That's why I'm going to make it as a tick. We need to make it as a tick. But 0 8, it is not matched with any pair. And previously also one of the variable 5, it is not matched. That's why I already told that one. If you want, you can check it out. 5, it is not matched. And similarly 0 8 also not matched. These two we need to write at the end. Okay, So what is the representation? 0 comma 8 dash of 0 0 0, and 5 is nothing but directly 0 1 0 1. Once you write, then we are going to write the implicants. Let's here it is. How to write this one? It is an SOP form. A value it is 1, B value it is 0 is nothing but AB bar, and 1 dash of 1 is nothing but A, and this one taken as a C, AC we are going to taken. Okay, next it is second thing, it is second part what you have 0 comma 8, and this one directly we can take, and 5 also we can take directly. Let's move on that how to represent it a prime implicated table in this matched pace. Okay, how to write the prime implicant table? So you already know that first you need to represent the prime implicant table of mean terms. You can see that you need to represent all mean terms. What are the mean terms you have? 0, 5, 8, 9, 10, 11, 14, 15. You need to represent all mean terms here. Okay, next I'm looking for 8, 9, 10, 11. So just make wherever the mean term matched pairs is there, mean terms is there, there you need to make it as a x. So let's move on to that. So we need to take this is an expression what we are going to take an f of a comma b c d 0 5. This is a mean terms what we are going to write written here. Next 8, 9, 10, 11. So in this case 8 I'm going to make it as a cross, 9, 10 and 11 we are going to make it as a cross. Next 10, because here also same thing only, right? 8 is there, here 9 is there, that's why we're going to make it one group, and this one also variables are same thing, so you consider any one, and here also you consider any one because here and here almost the same, 10, 11, 14, 15, 10, 11, 14 and 15. Next 0 comma 8 already is there, this not matched with any pair, you need to take as it is 0 comma 8. This one you need to consider, make it as an x. Okay, next 5 also is there, just take as it is of 5. I'm going to take and make it as a x, and looking for the each column. Once you represent it, make it as an x. Next task it is looking for a single crossing, a single x where it is there, just cross this one. So this is a crossing and this is crossing, and next it is this one I'm going to cross, and next this one also I'm going to cross, and this one also I'm going to cross. Let's check it out. Okay, so these are I'm going to crossing because single ones. After that looking for double cross. Let's move on to that. First I'm looking for single crossing. So if I'm going to take this crossing, you just see entire row here, these are all prime, these are all mean terms are covering here, it is 8, 9, 10, 11 it is covering here. So this value directly I can take as AB dash, directly I can take it here. Next 10, 11, 14, 15 is nothing but, so if I'm going to take at least one, then it is covering everything here it is, then directly I can take as a, what is the value I'm getting, it is AC. I already know that. So what is the SOP form? Directly I can take as a AB dash plus AC. Next, remaining two you have, but this is a single, it is not matched with any row and any column. Then what I'm going to do, directly I can write the expression of 0 comma 8. What is the 0 comma 8? It's nothing but this one, it is not there, you have a 0 0 0, B bar, C bar and D bar, and for this one A bar, B, C, D bar. Let's write that one. So for this case I'm going to write for 0 comma 8 is nothing but B bar, C bar, D bar, and next it is A bar, B, C bar, D. So this is a reduced Boolean expressions what we are going to getting from the tabulation method. Okay, hope you understand this one. So this is a way, so try to solve more and more problems. Thank you.